2, 3.
Okay, so I'm still working on this original flake. I've gone around and ground all the loose material off the edges. It helps to see where the center line is, where I need to be working. And again, I'm going to take off the overhanging areas that stick out here, up here, and eventually we'll get all this material off of here, then start thinning it across here. So we'll see how this goes now. I'm looking at this edge, how it dips down below the center line of the piece towards the area I want to remove. That's a good place to hit the stone, so I'm going to see if I can do that right there. Okay, so that did take a nice flake off right there. I'm just going to work right around this corner. A little more even, symmetrical now on this top part, if we look at it. Flakes tend to like to follow ridges, so I'm going to see if I can hit it here and get a flake to follow this ridge right here. Okay, and that's pretty much what it did. It chatched along here. Makes it a little more even. Now, looking at it from this side, we've got a lot of material in here that needs to be removed, so I'm going to start working on this a little bit. Another important thing is I want to work on keeping the piece as convex as possible. This is a great surface here. This nice round face is what I want, because the flakes will travel easily over that. These flat areas are very difficult to get flakes to travel through. They'll tend to dig into the stone. So what I'm going to do is take short flakes off here to create a nice convex surface there. Get it a little more rounded there now. We've got this bad area here we need to deal with. Get rid of this area, and I'm going to try and do that by alternate flaking back and forth, so we can just eat away that bad area. Just about got it. Take it a little easy on the end here so I don't break it. Okay, so that removed most of the really bad areas. This area's got a nice, fairly flat but slightly convex surface. Got some big bulges in here, but those will be reduced down as we continue to thin it down. So at this point, this could be used as a tool, a scraping or a butchering tool, sort of a handheld hand axe type of thing at this point. And it could also be reduced down to make a blade out of. So we've got several choices at that point.